Are you sick of the snow? Are you tired of shoveling? Are you losing your mind? Thinking about jumping out the window? Don't jump! That's stupid. Instead, send a photo or video of your safe blizzard activities for a chance to win a trip to sunny California. An example of a safe blizzard activity would be a snow angel, a snowcat video, building a fort, wearing appropriate snow gear, hats, gloves, jackets. Got it? Good. Follow these simple directions and you could win a 4-day trip to Los Angeles, California to come hang with the BosAngeles team. To enter, follow @BosAngelesTeam on Twitter and tweet your photo or video at us with the hashtag #BeatTheBlizzard.